First of all, concept of Phillips curve given by A.W. Phillips. According to him, there is inverse relationship between inflation and unemployment. That means as inflation increase, unemployment fall. For example, increase in inflation means prices increase. As prices increase, profit of businesses also increase. As their profit increase, output increase. Output increase, employment increase. As employment increase, eventually unemployment fall. So there is inverse relationship between inflation and unemployment. Unemployment, inflation. As inflation increase, unemployment fall. This Phillips curve shows inverse relationship between inflation and unemployment. Phillips curve was very famous during 1960, but it faced challenges during 1970 because it was contradicted with stagflation. In case of stagflation, high inflation and unemployment simultaneously exist, but according to Phillips curve, there is inverse relationship between inflation and unemployment. That's why this period will be called breakdown of Phillips curve. After breakdown of Phillips curve, American economist Milton Friedman gave new definition of Phillips curve. According to him, during short time period, it can possible inverse relationship between inflation and unemployment, but this relationship will not hold during long time period. That means according to Milton Friedman, there is no trade-off between unemployment and inflation during long time period. But why? Because during long time period, employees realize due to inflation their purchasing power fall. That's why they demand for higher wage rate. If employees demand for higher wage rate, that means profit of businesses fall. If profit of businesses fall, they will not hire more employees. That's why during long time period, there is no trade-off between inflation and unemployment according to Milton Friedman. Unemployment, inflation rate. These two are short-run Phillips curve which shows inverse relationship between inflation and unemployment. This is long-run Phillips curve which shows there is no trade-off between unemployment and inflation during long time period.